In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate Danske Bank credit card. If you're watching this, chances are you've just received your brand new credit card. But here's the thing, that card is pretty much useless until you activate it. Before we dive into its activation methods, let's make sure you have everything you need. First off, you'll obviously need your physical credit card itself. Additionally, you might also need some personal identification details for verification, like your social security number, date of birth, or your bank account details. While not always required specifically for activation, it's a good idea to have these details handy. Step 1. Head over to Danske Bank's official login page and then log into your eBanking account using your login credentials. Once you're logged in, click on the Cards and Currency option in the top menu and then choose Card Overview. Then find your new card, click the arrow next to it, and select Activate Card. You'll then be asked to approve the activation, and that's it, your card is ready to go. Well, that's how you activate your Danske Bank credit card. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.